The Meghalaya Police, led by Director General Dr. L.R. Bishnoi, convened a meeting with students of St. Anthony's College, Shillong on the 26th of February 2024 to tackle the pressing issue of drug abuse. In his address to the audience, Dr. Bishnoi emphasized the alarming proliferation of drugs in Meghalaya, likening it to the rapid spread of the coronavirus worldwide. He elaborated on the drug trafficking route from the Golden Triangle through Myanmar to India via Manipur, highlighting the efforts of the State Police Department in combating this global issue with the exception of the Vatican. Additionally, the gathering featured a drill exhibition by the SF-10 of the Police Department.
In the 10 countries in this planet, and except Vatican City, that is the religious country, except Vatican City, all countries are in the grip of the drug menace. In 2019, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, they had conducted nationwide survey covering all the states and the union territories, and in 2019 they found that nearly 8 crore drug abusers are there in India. Lessons for all of us. Not only that, every year the number of drug abusers are increasing exponentially, and large number of youth are falling prey to drugs. Not only the male population, but recently the trend is many young girls they started taking drugs. You should keep it in mind that Meghalaya, although very small state, yet it is seriously in the grip of drug menace. And why it is a sensitive? The reasons are, first, its close proximity to Golden Triangle. You might have heard about the Golden Triangle. Yeah. So this is basically a bordering area of Laos, Myanmar and Thailand. It's a huge area, nearly 9 lakh square kilometers, where the opium cultivation is done. And out of opium, after processing in the improvised factory set up in the jungle area, they prepare the heroin, morphine and other drugs. And after that, those drugs are transported to India. through Myanmar borders. First it come to Manipur, and one route is from Manipur to Mizoram, Ladakh Valley of Assam, Meghalaya, Guwahati, and then it goes to other states of India. The second route is from Manipur, it goes to Dimapur, and after that it enters into Assam. So these are the various routes. So Meghalaya is sensitive because Myanmar is not far away from the Meghalaya. The drug traffickers can easily transport the drugs. Secondly, why Meghalaya is sensitive? Because it has porous border with